Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OnePlus 9 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To add event, open calendar application firstly, and there we must tap on our month and set day when we want to add our event, maybe 25. There we tap on plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. There we can set it will be birthday, task or event. In this part we can add this event to group about what is it, about our family, events or something like that. In this part we can set in which time event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day event by switch on. Repeat if we need it, and we can make custom repeat also. There we can add this event to people calendar, can make video conference when event starts, add location of that notification, and you can add more than one notification and make your custom. We can change color about notification to this event, description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.